Welcome to day 5 of the 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today, we're going to talk about something that is very close to everyone's heart. Our future. Everyone has dreams. Some people dream about getting a good job. Some people want to travel the world. Some people want to start a business. Some people want to buy their own house. Some people want to support their family. And some people simply want to live a peaceful and happy life. What about you? Have you ever imagined what your life will look like 5 years from now? Have you ever thought about where you want to live? What kind of work do you want to do? What kind of person do you want to become? Today, we're going to practice talking about these things in natural English. Don't worry if you don't have everything planned. You don't need to know exactly what your future will look like. Sometimes, it's enough to know the direction you want to take. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Sometimes I sit quietly and think about my future. I wonder where I will be a few years from now. I wonder what kind of work I will be doing. I wonder what my daily life will look like. I wonder which people will still be part of my life. I wonder what new experiences I will have. I don't know all the answers yet. And that's okay. I don't think anyone knows exactly what the future will bring. Life can change unexpectedly. Our plans can change. Our priorities can change. Even our dreams can change. But I believe it's still important to have goals. Goals give us direction. They remind us where we want to go. They also give us a reason to keep moving forward. One of my biggest dreams is to build a life that makes me proud. I don't want a perfect life. I want a meaningful life. I want to wake up in the morning and feel that my work has a purpose. I want to become financially independent. I want to take care of the people I love. I want to keep learning new things. I want to become more confident. I want to become a better communicator. And I want to feel proud of how far I have come. For me, success isn't only about money. Money is important. A good career is important. But peace of mind is important too. Good relationships are important. Health is important. And being happy with yourself is important. I want to create a balanced life. A life where I can work hard but also enjoy the small moments. One of my biggest priorities right now is my career. I want to build a stable and successful career. I know that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes consistent effort. There may be days when I feel motivated. There may also be days when I feel tired or discouraged. But I don't want to give up just because something is difficult. I want to keep improving my skills. I want to gain practical experience. I want to work with people who are more experienced than me. I want to learn from them. I want to make mistakes. I want to learn from those mistakes. And slowly, I want to become better at what I do. I don't expect to become successful immediately. I just want to keep moving forward, one step at a time. I also want to continue learning. The world is changing very quickly. New technologies are appearing every day. New skills are becoming important. So I don't want to stop learning after getting a job. I want to continue improving. I want to learn new tools. I want to improve my communication skills. I want to speak English more confidently. I want to become better at explaining my ideas. I want to become more comfortable speaking in front of other people. I know that learning takes time. Sometimes I may understand something quickly. Sometimes I may need to practice it many times. But I have learned that repetition is powerful. The more I practice, the more natural something becomes. That's why I keep practicing. Improving my English is one of my important goals. I don't want to learn English only to pass an exam. I want to use English in real life. I want to speak without translating every sentence in my head. I want to express my thoughts naturally. I want to participate in conversations confidently. I want to speak during interviews without feeling extremely nervous. I want to communicate with people from different backgrounds. I know I still make mistakes. Sometimes I search for the right word. Sometimes I make grammar mistakes. Sometimes I hesitate, but I'm not going to let those mistakes stop me. Every time I speak, I learn something. Every time I make a mistake, I have an opportunity to improve. So I will keep speaking. I will keep listening. I will keep shadowing. And I will keep practicing. Another thing I sometimes think about is where I want to live in the future. Maybe I will live in a busy city. Maybe I will live somewhere peaceful. Maybe I will move to a completely different place. I'm not sure yet, but I know what kind of environment I want. I want to live somewhere comfortable. I want to have a peaceful home. I want to wake up and enjoy my surroundings. I want to have a place where I can relax after a busy day. I want my home to feel warm and welcoming. I don't need a huge house. I just want a place that feels like home. A place where I can laugh. A place where I can rest. A place where I can work toward my dreams. I also want to travel more. There are so many places I haven't seen yet. I want to visit beautiful cities. I want to explore nature. I want to try different foods. I want to meet new people. I want to experience different cultures. I don't want to travel only to take pictures. I want to understand the places I visit. I want to learn how people live. I want to hear different languages. I want to try things that are outside my comfort zone. Maybe one day I'll take a trip that I never imagined possible. Maybe I'll travel alone. Maybe I'll travel with my family or friends. Whatever happens, I want to create beautiful memories. One of my biggest dreams is to make my family proud. My family has supported me in many ways. They have been there during difficult times. They have encouraged me when I felt discouraged. They have believed in me even when I doubted myself. So, in the future, I want to give something back to them. I want to become independent. I want to be able to support them when they need me. I want to make their lives a little easier. Sometimes success isn't about proving something to the world. Sometimes success is simply being able to take care of the people who took care of you. That is one of the things that motivates me. I don't only think about what I want to achieve. I also think about who I want to become. I want to become a confident person. I want to become a calm person. I want to become someone who doesn't give up easily. I want to become someone who can handle difficult situations. I want to become someone who speaks clearly. I want to become someone who listens carefully. I want to become someone who respects other people. I want to become someone who keeps learning. Most importantly, I want to become someone I can be proud of. I know that becoming that person will take time. But I'm willing to work on myself every day. Of course, not everything will happen exactly as I plan. Sometimes things won't work out. I may apply for a job and not get selected. I may work hard on something and still fail. I may make a decision that turns out to be wrong. I may face unexpected problems. But I don't want one failure to decide my future. If something doesn't work, I can try again. If one door closes, I can look for another opportunity. If I make a mistake, I can learn from it. If my plan changes, I can create a new plan. I don't have to give up just because life doesn't go according to my expectations. Sometimes a different path can lead to an even better destination. When I imagine myself 5 years from now, I see a more confident version of myself. I see myself having a stable career. I see myself communicating confidently. I see myself having better skills. I see myself handling responsibilities independently. I see myself making decisions with confidence. I see myself having more experiences. I see myself looking back at my younger self and saying, "You did a good job. You didn't give up. You kept going even when things were difficult." I don't know exactly where I will be 5 years from now. But I know what kind of person I want to become. And that's enough to keep me moving. Big dreams are exciting, but big dreams can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's why I believe in small goals. Instead of saying, "I want to become fluent in English," I can say, "I will practice English for 30 minutes today." Instead of saying, "I want to become successful," I can say, "I will improve one skill today." Instead of saying, "I want to change my life," I can say, "I will make one positive change today." Small actions may look insignificant, but small actions repeated every day can create big results. You don't have to change your entire life in one day. You just have to make today's choice a little better. There will be days when I don't feel motivated. I may feel tired. I may feel frustrated. I may compare myself with other people. I may wonder why my progress is so slow. During those moments, I need to remember how far I have already come. I need to stop comparing my journey with someone else's journey. Everyone has a different starting point. Everyone has different challenges. Everyone has a different timeline. I don't need to be ahead of everyone. I just need to keep moving forward. Even if I move slowly, I'm still moving. And sometimes, slow progress is still progress. Sometimes I imagine meeting myself 5 years from now. I imagine sitting across from that person and asking, "Are you happy? Did you achieve the things you wanted? Did you keep going when things became difficult? Did you take care of yourself? Did you spend enough time with the people you love? Did you try new things? Did you stop being afraid of making mistakes?" I hope my future self will smile and say, "Yes. You didn't give up. You kept learning. You kept trying. You became stronger. You became more confident. You built the life you wanted, one step at a time." That is the future I want. Now, let's practice some powerful sentences together. I have goals for my future. I believe I can achieve them. I don't need to achieve everything immediately. I can take one step at a time. I am willing to learn. I am willing to work hard. I am willing to improve. I believe in consistent effort. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I can learn from my mistakes. I can overcome difficult situations. I can adapt when my plans change. I can create new opportunities. I can become more confident. I can improve my communication skills. I can speak English more naturally. I can express my thoughts clearly. I can become better every day. My future is still being created. My choices today will shape my future. I will focus on what I can control. I will not waste my energy worrying about everything. I will focus on today's actions. I will celebrate small improvements. I will be patient with myself. I will trust the process. I will keep learning. I will keep practicing. I will keep moving forward. Now it's your turn. Think about your own future. Where do you want to be 1 year from now? What skill do you want to improve? What kind of job do you want? Where do you want to live? Who do you want to become? What experience do you want to have? What is one dream you want to achieve? Don't worry about using complicated English. Use simple sentences. For example, in the future, I want to become more confident. I want to improve my English. I want to build a successful career. I want to travel to new places. I want to support my family. I want to learn new skills. I want to become financially independent. I want to live a peaceful life. Now create your own sentences. Speak about your future. Speak about your dreams. Speak about the person you want to become. The more you speak, the easier it will become. Your future doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be yours. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You can change your plans. You can change your goals. You can take a different path. You can start again. You can learn something new. You can become a completely different person from who you are today. Never underestimate the power of small steps. One page can become a book. One lesson can become a skill. One conversation can improve your confidence. One day of practice can become a habit. And one habit can change your life. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Use the time you have today. And keep moving forward. I am building my future every day. I am becoming stronger every day. I am becoming more confident every day. I am learning something new every day. I am improving my English every day. I am becoming a better communicator. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I learn from every mistake. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. I believe in my dreams. I know that success takes time. I know that progress takes patience. I know that consistency matters. I will not give up easily. I will keep moving forward. I will focus on my goals. I will take care of myself. I will support the people I love. I will continue learning. I will continue growing. I will create opportunities for myself. I will become the person I want to be. My future is full of possibilities. I am ready for new opportunities. I am ready for new challenges. I am ready to grow. I am ready to learn. I am ready for my next chapter. Congratulations! You have completed day 5 of the 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today, you practiced talking about your future, your dreams, your career goals, your family, your confidence, and the person you want to become. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need practice. You don't need to know every word. You need the courage to speak. You don't need to know exactly what your future will look like. You just need to take the next step. So practice this lesson again. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Try to speak naturally. And most importantly, use these sentences in your own life. Talk about your dreams. Talk about your goals. Talk about your plans. Talk about the person you want to become. Your English will improve one sentence at a time. Your confidence will grow one conversation at a time. And your future will be built one day at a time. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in day 6. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, please like this video and share it with someone who is learning English. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to English with Suma and join me for more English speaking and shadowing practice. Keep practicing every day, speak with confidence, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and keep speaking English. Heart.